With holiday parties, New Year's Eve, and the new year upon us, we all want to look and feel our best when we head out the front door. Joining us with tips to shine now through 2020 is beauty and wellness expert Grace Gold. And with a name like Gold, you know you're going to sparkle. So, yes,
a little bling.
A little bling.
Yes.
So, let's start with something that you know all about because you have beautiful, shiny, elegant skin.
Thank you so much. Well, it gets tough in the winter because we get dry and dull, right?
Yes.
So a really exceptional ingredient is Roux that you can look for. It brings life back to our skin. And here I have Dr. Organic Roux Restoring Line. I'm always looking for what's new, Julie.
Right.
This is brand new, really exciting. They actually use organic Bulgarian rose to moisturize and replenish skin. You're looking at the line. It's a cleansing cream, toner, day and night cream, eye treatment. My personal favorites, the face scrub and the face serum. If you haven't heard of Dr. Organic, it's made with organic and naturally sourced ingredients free of parabens, SLS, phthalates, mineral oil, petroleum, all that kind of stuff we're trying to stay away from. And what I like most, Julie, great skincare, super affordable and accessible. You could get it Ulta beauty stores, Ulta.com, starting at under $10.
Wow, that's a great price and good for your skin. Serums are in. People love the feel.
Yes, I love it, and it'll give you that glow during these holidays.
Absolutely. All right, well, what about a supplement for the skin? Because we got to start from the inside out.
Exactly, and collagen is so popular, right? So the newest thing in collagen is Youtheory Collagen Liquid.
Ooh.
So this helps restore the natural beauty proteins that counteract age-related collagen loss. Now, there's over 5,000 milligrams of the collagen per serving. In clinical studies, Julie, we see half of that may help reduce the look of wrinkle depth. So that's going to promote a youthful look. You basically just use that as a collagen shot. I like them so much in the morning, I want to do more than one. Honestly, they're nice and sweet and berry flavored. You can also put it in your water that you're drinking during the day. You could put it in your smoothie as well. And it's got that natural berry flavor. So really great ingredients, under $20. Whole Foods and Walgreens helps get you that glow that you need this time of year from the inside out.
And I like that you can just add it into anything. Smoothies, water, that's perfect.
Yes, and also, by the way, great for your nails as well, which are really, really weak and brittle this time of year.
And everybody loves a good nail. All right, let's talk about the hair, because we talk about the skin drying out. The hair does too from the cold.
It does as well, and you know what? The gray roots are popping up.
Oh,
we don't have time this time of year. You got the photos, the holiday parties. Oh my God, what do I do? Okay, this is Roux Tween Time Instant Root Concealer. It conceals the roots and the stray grays. It's super easy to use. You see, it looks like a lipstick. You just swipe that right into your roots. It covers them right up. They got 5 natural looking shades. I have medium brown, dark brown, and black on the table. And you see I'm showing a little clutch because it's so small. It literally fits into your clutch and can come with you.
Right.
As you're taking photos, you want to look really great.
Right. And of course, I love the fact that it's so small, you can just pack it in your overnight bag and take it to wherever party you're going.
Exactly. And this is $7. Sally Beauty Stores, sallybeauty.com.
Perfect. All right. And let's continue moving right on.
Yeah. So a big beauty resolution a lot of people have is they want the thicker, fuller hair.
Yes.
I hear this from every woman. So Nutrafol Gut Instinct Hair Kit, this is really brand new and interesting. You choose from the core products. So they have a women's formula, a men's formula, and a women 45 plus. And then it comes with this new Hair Biotic. That's a targeted booster that promotes hair growth and overall wellness from the inside out. It's got natural ingredients, basically botanical phytoactives that really address the key triggers that cause hair thinning, stress, hormones, nutrition, metabolism, environment. It's so much, guys. And that Hair Biotic, Julie, is important because when your belly is balanced, it effectively absorbs the supplement that you're taking. Thick, lustrous hair growth, limited time, $30 off, Nutrafol.com. This is my favorite. It's really become the gold standard with dermatologists.
And I love the fact that you don't have to put creams or liquids in the hair and it gets messy.
And it gets goopy and all that kind of stuff. Super easy.
This is perfect.
Yes.
And I love it. All right. And then what else do you have for us?
Okay, I'm going to leave you with a New Year's Eve tip and a great TV tip as well. Do you use a setting spray?
I should.
You should. Okay, well, I'm going to leave one of these for you to try. This is Urban Decay Heavy Dose All-Nighter Duo. Now, it is the all-nighter setting spray. They basically make the most famous one in makeup, and it's a holiday set, so it's packaged in a tearaway box, so you can get one and give one if you're feeling generous. And it is breathable but powerful. It's a super fine mist that keeps your makeup looking fresh up to 16 hours, so it stays put all day and night. No cracking, fading. It's vegan. $42, so you're paying a few dollars more than just one to get 2 full-sized at urbandecay.com. I put this on this morning. It's what helps me keep my makeup looking good.
Right, keeping it fresh.
Since 2 a.m. You
There
know,
you go.
you know that story, don't you?
Yeah, and you don't have to keep reapplying it and getting it caked
Exactly,
on.
and getting the cake.
Yeah,
yeah.
I love that. Wow, so many good things here, Grace.
Thank
All
you.
kinds of good stuff to kick off 2020. Well, thank you.
Thank you. Happy New Year's, everyone.
Happy New Year. And of course, you want to follow Grace online and get more information about all of these items. Where do we follow you?
GraceGold.com.
Perfect. All right. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Julie.
More of Let's Talk Live up next.